Do you want to customize desktop icons on your Windows computer? You can easily do that by simply following these simple and easy steps from this video. So first up, you have to open Settings, go to Personalization, click Themes, go to Desktop Icon, click an icon you want to change, click Change Icon, select an icon, then select OK. Now you have to choose Apply also to confirm your action. Now another method you can try to do is open File Explorer, click or select a folder icon, right-click on it, click Properties, click Customize or Shortcut tab, then choose Change Icon, select your icon, then press OK, and then select Apply to apply the changes. Last on the list, you can also create an icon image. You just have to open Paint, open the image you want to be an icon by selecting File tab, choose Open, select your image, and once done, save it and make sure that it is saved as a BMP picture. Then, type in your file name, followed by .ico, so that your file will be saved as an icon file. After all of that, you have to open Settings, go to Personalization, click Themes, go to Desktop Icon, click an icon you want to change, click Change Icon, then choose the new icon. So that's how to change or create Windows desktop icons on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.